Old wedding photos carry the most beautiful love stories between your parents, but over time, they became blurry. What if you could bring them back to life in just a few clicks? Today, I'll show you how to restore old wedding photos using AVCLabs PhotoPro AI. Let's dive in. First, importing the old wedding photo into AVCLabs PhotoPro AI. Next, go to the Enhance function, choose Standard Model, and turn on Face Enhancement. This makes the faces clearer and the details sharper. Look at the difference, the photo feels alive again, right? Now, use the Colorize feature to add life back into the photo. You can try bright or soft tones, and adjust the rendering index until you find the perfect look. In just a few clicks, the black and white memory becomes a colorful treasure. And that's it! From 1990 to 2005, AVCLabs PhotoPro AI preserve family memories and relive those timeless moments in stunning detail. And by the way, AVCLabs is currently running a back-to-school special event. If you've been thinking about trying their tools, now's the best time. You can save up to $100. This limited time offer runs until October 9th, so make sure to check it out if you don't want to miss the deal. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.